Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Mommy K and this is my very first vlog. Dito guys, nadaanan lang namin tong cafe, Forest Cafe. So pretty. Spacious bathroom. Wow. Ayan, rice cooker and everything you need. A mini table and 2 chairs. A mirror. Cozy living room. Wow. A cozy bedroom with 3 beds. Kailangan na kumain ng mga bata. Dito lang tayo ng nuggets and hot dogs. Ito nga pala yung area nila pag may event. So sa landscape. And then may mga log chairs for bonfire, I think. And then merong griller. Yeah. Now that I'm next to you, no more dreaming about tomorrow. Forget the loneliness and sorrow. I would say it's all because of you. And now we're back together. I wanna show you my heart is oh so true. Are you sleepy now?
I'm sleepy now.
Careful. May batang gustong mag-go up. Up. Ito na po. You wanna sleep na? Yay! Hi! Mamaya-maya magpapahinga na kami. Katapos na nga mag-swimming, inabot na kami ng gabi. Dahil sa batang ito, ayaw magpaawat ng swimming. Nakain lang siya ng nori.
A few moments later.
Tutulog na po ang mga babies. Say good night. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
The next day.
Bye, guys.
Rian, say hi. Rian. Boogie. Morning swimming. ayun guys, I just got home from somewhere and gusto ko lang i-share yung naging experience namin dun sa pinuntahan naming staycation place, which is the Maria's Homestay and Events Place. So first of all, shout out to Ma'am and Sir Nashon for accommodating us very well. Alam nyo ba guys, napaka-generous ng dalawang mag-asawa na yun. Sila po yung owners ng Maria's Homestay and Events Place. Super thankful ako dahil pagdating pa lang namin dun sa mismong resort, nakasmile agad si ma'am. Tapos si sir naman, napaka-accommodating din. Actually, both sila mag-asawa, napaka-hands-on nila. If you have questions or kahit anong bagay na kailangan nyo ng tulong or assistance habang nandun kayo at nakastay sa place nila, i-assist talaga nila kayo. Kung paano nyo nakita yung room na pinagstayan namin, and yung other rooms, ganun talaga siya. Super minimalist style kasi onti pa lang yung gamit inside, but then nandun naman lahat ng kailangan nyo, especially sa common kitchen. And meron naman kanikanyang CR, so very okay din ang stay kahit per room lang ang i-accommodate. Ganda ang aliwalas, ang cozy ng vibes niya, ganon. Ang lambot ng higaan, ang bango talaga ng kumot, promise. And sa pool naman with jacuzzi, sobrang nag-enjoy kami. Ang warm talaga ng tubig. Enjoy naman yung dalawang anak ko, yung pamangkin ko kasi malinis talaga. Malawak yung pool. Makakapag-ikot-ikot kayo, kahit marami kayo, barkada or family, talaga makakapag-enjoy kayo dun guys. Nakagusto ko sa lahat is nature vibes dun. Mala probinsya na talaga. So, peaceful, relaxing, ang calm sa gabi. Parang kayo lang talaga yung mag-iingay, ganun. Ang quiet lang, sobrang serene. Ganun yung mga gusto naming klase ng pahinga. Thank you so much guys for watching my very first vlog. I hope nag-enjoy kayo and sana maka-visit din kayo. Magkaroon kayo ng time to visit Maria's Homestay and Events Place. And once again, thank you so much owners, Mr. and Mrs. Nashon. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. This is Mommy K. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!